In this video, I will show you how to fix lag on Roblox Mobile. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Roblox on your mobile device, then simply tap on More, and then here you're gonna have to simply go to your settings. Then the next step is to simply tap on accessibility, and if you have this option which is reduce motion turned on, simply disable it. Now the next step is to simply make sure that you turned off low power mode. So you're gonna have to disable this option, and then the last step is to make sure that you close the other apps that are running in the background. So as you can see this one here, and just keep Roblox on your device like this, and basically that's all you have to do in order to fix lag on Roblox Mobile. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.